Replacing the battery in your 2019-2024 Toyota RAV4 flip-style key fob is a simple DIY task. You'll need a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery. First, locate the small button or indentation on the fob's edge near the key ring. Press it to release the flip cover. Gently pry open the cover, avoiding metal tools to prevent scratches. Remove the old battery by pushing it out from the spring side. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up to ensure proper contact. Snap the cover back on securely. Test the fob by pressing the buttons. Typically, no reprogramming is needed as these fobs auto-sync. If it doesn't work, clean the contacts with a soft cloth and try again. Remember to dispose of the old battery responsibly. While generally straightforward, some issues can arise. If the fob fails to sync after battery replacement, try holding the lock button for 5-10 seconds to reset it. Hybrid RAV4 models might experience faster battery drain, requiring replacement every 6 to 12 months, especially in colder climates. Always ensure you are working in a dry environment to avoid moisture damage. If the key fob is damaged beyond a simple battery swap, a replacement can cost $50 to $150 at a dealership. For persistent connectivity problems, especially in 2023-2024 hybrid models, check for Toyota service bulletins like TSB012224, or consider a dealer visit for potential software updates. Double-check battery orientation to avoid short-circuiting the circuit board.